Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to create a brand new Amazon account. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. You don't need the app, everything can be done directly on the website. In the top right corner, hover your mouse over Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu, click Start Here next to New Customer. This takes you to the Amazon account registration page. Now fill in your details, your full name, your email address, a secure password. Amazon requires at least 6 characters. Once all fields are complete, click Create your Amazon account. Amazon will now send a verification code to the email you entered. Open your inbox, find the code, and enter it on Amazon's verification screen. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Amazon may ask you to add a phone number for account security. This helps with password recovery and protects your account from unauthorized access. Enter your number and complete the verification if prompted. After verification, your Amazon account is fully created. You can now browse products, add payment methods, update delivery addresses, and start shopping. And that's it, your Amazon account is ready to use.